2018 Chevrolet Malibu review. Searching for just a roomy and chic mid-size family sedan? Check out the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu. The 2018 Chevrolet Malibu shines in the mid-size sedan field for the sharp looks and blend of appealing qualities. It's set with technology and provides a roomy interior. There's also a variety of engine choices, including a hybrid option. Overall, we feel it's a solid pick. Since its complete redesign to the 2016 model year, the newest Chevrolet Malibu can be quite competitive inside the mid-size sedan category. Some rivals might boast better driving dynamics or even more features for your money. Even so, the Malibu comes with a solid and chic all-around package. Chevrolet has loaded all even so the most basic trim with desirable features. This means you won't have trouble picking out the features you wish. We also such as the way the Malibu handles, and acceleration in the 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder is surprisingly peppy. The Malibu hybrid is really a smooth and refined driver, which returns an outstanding 45 miles per gallon combined. What's new? There aren't any major changes in 2010. The only notable addition is often a new appearance package, the Redline Edition. The Malibu 1LT together with the convenience and technology package balances content and price. However, we found the 1.5-litre engine underwhelming, preferring the driving experience with the hybrid. The hybrid comes similarly equipped for the 1LT for just a moderate price premium, therefore it may also be equipped together with the convenience and technology package. Trim levels and features. For 2018, the Malibu has 4 trim levels. The base L trim is sparsely equipped, so unless you're looking to the least expensive sedan possible, it's far better to step up on the LS or 1LT. Both give a considerable amount of content, although such as the L, they depend upon a smaller, slightly underpowered engine. The Premier trim comes almost fully loaded and adds an even more powerful motor. The Malibu is usually available in hybrid trim concentrating on the same features to your LT. The base L trim has 16-inch steel wheels, keyless entry and ignition, cruise control, air conditioning, a tilt and telescoping controls, OnStar, Bluetooth phone connectivity and also a 6-speaker head unit, rather than much else. Notably, a rear-view camera and Bluetooth audio streaming are generally lacking. The minor price hike for the LS trim adds a lot of equipment. A rear-view camera, 16-inch aluminium wheels, as well as a Chevrolet MyLink infotainment system that has a 7-inch touchscreen and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility are notable upgrades. You also get laminated side windows, which reduce noise, and also a 4G LTE experience of Wi-Fi. Upgrading for the 1LT trim gets every body of the LS features, along with 17-inch wheels, heated mirrors, an 8-way power-adjustable driver seat, rear seat air vents and satellite radio. The 1LT can even be upgraded with several packages. The convenience and technology package adds remote vehicle start, an auto-dimming mirror and wireless charging pad. Also it upgrades the touchscreen interface to a 8-inch screen with navigation. A leather package can also be available, which adds leather upholstery, heated front seats, power front seat lumbar adjustment, and, oddly, a 9-speaker Bose stereo audio. The driver confidence package adds automatic high beams, back and front parking sensors, and forward collisions warning. New for 2018 would be the Redline Edition appearance package, only obtainable on the 1LT, which adds blacked out 19-inch wheels in conjunction with black and red trim pieces in preference to chrome. The L, LS, and 1LT are typical, powered by the turbocharged 1.5-litre four-cylinder engine, 160 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, mated to your 6-speed automatic transmission. The Malibu hybrid runs on the 1.8-litre four-cylinder engine followed by an electric motor, creating a combined 182 horsepower and also a noteworthy 277 pound-feet of torque. It comes with all the same standard features since the Malibu 1LT, which enables it to be upgraded with all the convenience and technology package, the leather package and also the driver confidence package. Finally, the Premier trim includes all with the 1LT's features, together with the contents on the convenience and technology and leather packages. The engine is upgraded to your turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine, 250 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque, and paired which has a 9-speed automatic transmission. Also included are 13-inch wheels, ventilated front seats, driver seat memory settings, a heated tire, dual-zone automatic climate control, and unique exterior styling cues. The Premier is usually upgraded together with the driver confidence package along with the driver confidence package 2, including an electronic parking brake, adaptive cruise control, parking assist, as well as an automatic forward collision avoidance system. The Premier Sun and Wheel package adds a dual-pan power sunroof, 19-inch wheels and upgraded floor mats. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically also comes in multiple versions that happen to be fundamentally similar. The S on this review provide our first drive on the 2016 Chevrolet Malibu Premier Turbo 2.0 litres inline-4, 8-speed automatic, FWD. Note: since this test was conducted, the latest Chevrolet Malibu has gotten some revisions, including a new 9-speed automatic transmission for the Premier trim in 2017, along with the deletion in the 2LT trim level. Our findings remain broadly applicable to in 2010's Chevrolet Malibu, while its sharp handling and available advanced hybrid powertrain are standout elements. Acceleration. The standard 1.5-litre engine feels just adequate. Those who prefer more punch could get the Premier model's 2.0-litre engine. The hybrid's smooth acceleration helps it feel more like a vehicle than other hybrids. Its gas engine is mainly noticeable when accel hard or climbing a hill. Braking. Pedal action is smooth and predictable out and about and firms up in panic situations. Our non-hybrid test car stopped from 60 miles per hour and 113 feet, excellent for any car in this particular class. Confidence-feeling hybrid brakes are the best within the segment, lacking the uneven pedal feel common to competitors. Steering. The steering is of less feedback, and its initial turning is really a bit rubbery. Nevertheless, the turning effort is consistent and ideal for this type of car. It's responsive enough to instill confidence, which enable it to keep up with people who drive exuberantly. Handling. Despite its size and non-sporty positioning, the Malibu corners with additional athleticism than most family sedans. The all-season tires howl loudly when pushed, however the car remains composed and predictable. It's confident in evasive maneuvers and also provides some fun to the driver. Drivability. The base 6-speed automatic transmission senses sluggish and might not be smooth, with occasional clumsy downshifts and lurches because it rolls to your stop. We like the generally seamless powertrain with the hybrid version, especially at city speeds. Comfort. The minibus ride is smooth and composed, plus it deals well with rough roads and undulations. Some might additionally describe it as a firm, but which doesn't make it uncomfortable. Strong air conditioning along using a quiet interior add to your overall satisfaction. Seat comfort. Firm, supportive front seats with plenty of side bolstering. We could happily have driven longer within them than our 3-hour evaluation route. The rear outboard seats are comfy for average-size adults, however the center seat is more preferable suited to smaller passengers. Ride comfort. Impressive treating choppy, undulating pavement. Remains poised where others might bound about or transmit sharp impacts. Isolates via unpleasantness but not in the driving experience. Could be too firm for a lot of noise and vibration. Engine and wind noises are nicely muted, as well as the hybrids. Sometimes an engine doesn't drone excessively and call focus on itself. Road noise may be intrusive on coarse asphalt, though. In total, somewhat quieter than average. Climate control. The air conditioning keeps the auto cool using a very hot day, even from the hybrid, whose engine closes when your vehicle stops at signals. And we never felt the desire to constantly fiddle together with the system. Ventilated seats are optional. Interior. The Malibu gains advantage from a pleasant, modern and uncluttered dashboard design along with a simple layout of controls. Passenger room is on par with that relating to most other cars within the segment, which implies there's many it. The Accord's best in segment back seat is simply incrementally better. Ease of usage. Excellent climate controls are positioned within easy reach with well-sized buttons and knobs. The MyLink screen is susceptible to harsh reflections and fingerprint smudges, but high placement causes it to become easy to determine and reach. The manual shift button on top with a shifter uses a rethink. Getting in, jetting out. Front passengers can get in and out easily thanks to a large opening and relatively tall ride height. Rear passengers of average height or taller should stoop a tad to clear the sloping rear roofline. Driving position. Ample adjustability when equipped together with the 8-way power seat. The seat adjusts far enough down and back for tall drivers. The leader is good telescoping range. The pedals are naturally placed. Roominess. The front seats are usually spacious even for larger occupants. The rear seat is typical with the segment, providing enough head and legroom even for tall adults. The sloping roofline, however, makes that space feel confining. Visibility. As with lots of sedans inside the class, the thick roof pillars and high rear deck lid obstruct outward visibility. The available beige dash top also causes distracting reflections, where get black. A rear view camera is standard on although the base trim. Quality. Acceptable but far away from a class leader. Hard plastics in the beginning are at least nicely textured and look cheap. Those in back do and therefore are scratchy. Other surfaces are covered in lightly padded cloth or faux leather. Feels sturdy and well put together. Utility. If you've stuff to transport around, big or small, the Malibu is far and the best family sedan. The trunk is average, along with the various interior bins are certainly not ideal to the smartphones and also the odds and ends every one of us carry around currently. Small item storage. For a mid-size sedan, the Malibu's small item storage is poor. A tiny glove box, merely average center armrest bin, smallish door bins, on-size cup holders without grippers plus a media bin too small for only an iPhone 5. Rivals are better, more clever. Cargo space. The Malibu's 15.8 cubic foot trunk is average for that segment, adequate for golf bags and luggage. The much smaller hybrid trunk is simply too narrow for golf bags, plus the batteries fill its aft portion. Still okay for the hybrid sedan, though, then there is technically a 6040 split pass-through. Child safety seat accommodation. 4 latch anchor points and 3 upper tether mounts are arranged to offer all 3 rear seating positions. Anchor points are super easy to find beneath a flexible flap from the crook on the seat. Technology. The 2017 Chevrolet Malibu may have as much available technology each and every car inside the segment, with a lot of trims including a MyLink touchscreen interface, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, onboard Wi-Fi and a variety of OnStar services. A full gamut of high-touch driver aids can be available. Audio and navigation. The Chevy MyLink touchscreen product is much quicker than earlier iterations, and that we appreciate its large virtual buttons and general system layout. We think most users may find it easy to work with. There are 7 and 8-inch MyLink screens available. Smartphone integration. Up to 4 USB ports can be obtained, in addition to an auxiliary jack and Bluetooth phone and audio, though the bottom L is phone-only. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard for the LS and above. They act as expected. Driver aids. Blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning systems are unobtrusive. Optional adaptive cruise control brings the car to your full stop, but at lower speeds and slow and go freeway traffic it will make awkwardly abrupt throttle and brake adjustments. Voice control. Standard voice controls are a little bit stilted and require use of specific phrases. However, if you are using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, it is possible to push and hold a similar button to go to Siri or Google Voice, which are much better at addressing natural language requests.